Ready for your business trip?
I'm nervous. So much to do before tomorrow.
Don't worry, we'll get everything done today.
Okay, let me check the list.
What do we still need?
I need a suit for the conference.
Right, and what else?
Some medicine for the trip, just in case.
Good idea. What about your credit card?
I need to set up international access at the bank.
And we need to pack your suitcase tonight.
And check in online for the flight.
That's a lot. Let's start with the suit.
I know a store on Main Street.
Perfect. Let's go after breakfast.
Thank you for helping me, Sarah.
That's what partners are for. Hi, we're looking for a business suit.
Welcome. Is this for a special occasion?
My husband has a conference in New York.
Great. Any color preference?
I think navy would look good on him.
Navy is very popular for business. What size?
He's a 40 regular.
Let me show you this one. Wool blend, wrinkle-resistant.
Oh, that's perfect for traveling.
Yes, very easy to pack. The fitting room is this way.
Tom, go try it on.
How does it fit, sir?
He says the sleeves are a bit long.
No problem. We can do alterations.
How long does that take?
Just 2 hours. We can have it ready today. That's great.
How much is everything?
The suit is $350. Alterations are free above $300.
We'll take it. We'll pick it up later today.
Sounds good. I'll have it ready by 3 p.m.
That was quick. Good suit.
Yeah, I really like the color.
Navy looks great on you.
Now I actually feel ready for the conference.
See? One thing done already.
What's next on the list?
We should get some travel medicine.
Right, I always get headaches on long flights.
There's a pharmacy 2 blocks away.
Let's walk. It's a nice day.
Sure, we can stop at the bank after.
You planned this well.
I made a route. Pharmacy, bank, then pick up your suit.
What would I do without you?
You'd forget half the list.
Probably true.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I need some travel supplies.
Sure. What are you looking for?
Something for headaches. I get them on flights.
I recommended this one. It's over the counter, no prescription needed.
How many should I take?
The dosage is 2 tablets every 6 hours.
Got it. Do you have motion sickness pills too?
Yes, these are very popular with travelers. They work fast.
Great. I'll take both.
Do you need any toiletries? We have travel-size kits.
What's in the kit?
Toothpaste, shampoo, and body wash, all under 100 milliliters.
Perfect. Those are carry-on approved, right?
Yes, TSA approved for carry-on bags.
I'll take 1 kit. Anything else I should bring?
Band-aids and hand sanitizer, very useful for travel.
Good thinking. Add those too.
Your total is $28.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Have a great trip.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm traveling to New York tomorrow for business.
I see. Are you concerned about using your card overseas?
Yes. What are the international fees?
Let me check your account. You have the standard card.
That's right.
There's a 3% foreign transaction fee on each purchase.
That adds up fast.
We have a travel rewards card with 0 foreign fees.
Can I get one before tomorrow?
We can expedite it, $25 for next day delivery.
Let's do that.
I also recommend setting a travel alert on your current card.
What does that do?
It tells our system you're traveling. Your card won't be blocked.
That's important. I didn't know about that.
Many people forget. Where are you staying?
Marriott near Times Square.
Got it. I'll set the alert for 5 days in New York.
One more question. Should I bring cash?
A little. Maybe $200 for tips and small purchases?
Can I withdraw dollars here?
Yes, our exchange rate today is very good.
Great. I'll take $200 in cash.
Here you go. Anything else?
That's everything. Thank you so much for your help.
Look at us. Everything's done.
Suit, medicine, bank, all checked off.
I told you we'd finish in one day.
You were right. I feel so much better now.
Did you set the travel alert?
Yes, and I got $200 in cash for tips.
Smart. Tipping is important in New York.
The bank lady was really helpful.
See? Everyone wants to help you.
Now we just need to pack tonight.
And check in online for your flight.
Right. When does online check-in open?
Usually 24 hours before the flight.
My flight is at 3 p.m. tomorrow, so it should be open now.
Let's do that first when we get home.
Good plan.
Okay, open the airline website.
I'm on it. Let me find check-in.
Do you have your confirmation number?
Yes, it's in my email. Hold on. Got it.
Put in your last name and the number.
Done. It's showing my flight details.
3 p.m. departure, arriving at JFK at 8 p.m.
Now it's asking me to choose a seat.
Window or aisle?
Window. I want to see the skyline.
Seat 14A is available. That's a window.
Perfect. Selected.
Are you checking a bag?
1 checked bag and 1 carry-on.
What's the weight limit for checked bags?
Let me check. 50 pounds. That's about 23 kilos.
Okay, we need to weigh your suitcase later.
Good idea. Done. Boarding pass is saved on my phone.
Print a paper copy too, just in case.
You're always thinking ahead.
That's my job. Okay, let's pack. Where's your suitcase?
Under the bed. Let me get it.
Start with the suit. Hang it in the garment bag.
Good idea. I don't want it wrinkled.
Roll your casual clothes. It saves space.
Like this?
Yes, much better than folding.
Should I pack my laptop in the suitcase?
No, always keep it in your carry-on.
Right. And my charger too.
Don't forget a power adapter. New York uses Type B plugs.
We have one somewhere.
Check the drawer. I put it there last time.
Found it. What about the toiletries?
Put the travel size kit in a Ziploc bag.
For the security check.
Yes, liquids must be in a clear bag for TSA.
Smart. What else?
Business cards, presentation files.
Presentation is on my laptop, but yes, I need business cards.
They're on your desk.
Got them. I think that's everything.
Let me weigh the suitcase. 38 pounds, under the limit.
We did it.
Yes, we did. All packed and ready to go. Everything's done. How do you feel?
So much better. I was a mess this morning.
Let me check the list one more time.
Okay, go ahead.
Suit,
Picked up, hanging in the garment bag.
travel medicine,
Packed in my carry-on.
credit card and cash,
Travel card arrives tomorrow morning. Cash in my wallet.
boarding pass,
Saved on my phone and printed.
suitcase,
Packed in 38 pounds, under the limit.
charger, adapter, business cards.
All in my bag.
You're all set, honey.
I couldn't have done this without you.
You're going to do great at the conference.
I'll call you every night.
You better.
I promise. And next time, we go together. A real vacation.
I'd love that. Now get some sleep. Big day tomorrow.
Good night, honey.
Good night. Sweet dreams of New York.